Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with your afternoon financial market update. Markets continue to melt higher here in this low volume environment. We see the S&P 500 trading back up toward those April highs, and bond yields actually ticking back up toward highs that we haven't seen for a while as well. On the 10-year note, we see yields back up at 183 basis points, and on the 30-year bond, we see yields approaching that 300 basis point level, settling today right around 296 basis points, which implies that the prices are actually falling quite a bit. We'll look for interest rate prices to continue to fall as we work our way through August and these low volume summer months while people are away on vacation. There's not a lot of news and not a lot of volume to drive things, and really from a fundamental perspective, we're not trading as much off of that as what we are trading more technical here at the current time. When we look at macroeconomic data, we saw a lot of data coming out of the U.S. today with weekly jobless claims coming in up 2,000 at 366,000. We saw housing starts actually down 1.1%. On a month-over-month basis, and then if we look at the building permits, we actually saw it at a 4-year high. So that's certainly encouraging from the housing start, and we saw some commodities get a boost off that, particularly copper, as we saw a little bit of a boost there. But certainly, we look at the Philly Fed index today actually showing a bit of contraction in that region. We continue to see really mixed economic data, not great news, not horrible news, which can be taken that it really doesn't lead to much action for the Federal Reserve here. So that's certainly something that's on everyone's minds. Will we see additional QE in these upcoming meetings in September, both from the U.S. and from the ECB? When we look at data that's going to be coming out tomorrow, really we're going to be getting consumer sentiment and leading indicators here in the U.S. Other than that, pretty light docket, so I would expect continued low volume, but a push higher probably for equities and a continued push lower in the interest rate prices as we continue through. Please give me a call at 888-596-5817. We can discuss any opportunity in the futures markets. As always, futures trading is not suitable for everyone and does carry a high degree of risk.